At the point when you are doing everything in your ability to be the awesome cosmetics of yourself is continually going to be a force that will attempt to take that away from you will be considered in a difficult time a speed. Knock a dull spot. There are so numerous words we can use to portray troublesome occasions in life, those occasions when conditions or circumstances come in the tempt us of your course. Now the most ideal way you can conquer this is having the confidence. Now it doesn't matter what you trust in a log as it is something that in positive that will get you through it. A great deal of individuals don't have that capacity to be sold. Also, I am not discussing the physical part of solidarity in a real sense, discussing the psychological and obviously otherworldly part of solidarity. It very well may be a physical issue, a passing of a church on a monetary mishap, or on the other hand possible a bombed endeavor at something new. Here and there it seems like we'll be trapped in the difficult situation. Perpetually I've been there, everyone gets thumped down regardless how instance, so think you are going to fail. Also when you feel here and there you feel genuine heart, yet that ground is a hard surface. Also I will reveal to you something, it ain't going to move since you are lying on it, so you needed to ascend and you need to transcend it and you need to begin moving. At the point when you get tempted down, how long are you going to remain down? At the point when you lost your employment, when you lost the adroit one, not withstanding, if it is you better health, you suppose your youngest, whatever it is, do you can experience the heart and the agony of that misfortune, paying little mind to what you are experiencing. The best time you realize that you are soiled is the point at which you are at the most vulnerable purpose of your life. At the point when you are so far down that opening you turning upward and you don't see no light except for yet you know there's on into this murkiness. That is the point at which you will discover exactly how soiled you truly are. There is a cycle and you need to start simply at it so you can comprehend what it intends to be soil. So don't abandon your expressions, don't abandon your fantasies, try not to abandon yourself, simply continue to push ahead on the off chance that you believe that you're experiencing something so awful at this moment. Stand by until tomorrow. If tomorrow comes for you, take a gender at the individual close to you, take a gender at individuals everywhere on the world. In the event that you ever interacted with certain people, what's more, ask yourself, oh, they are going through significantly more than what I am going through. Sincerely, there are continually going to be individuals that are experiencing a part more than you are experiencing right presently. My name is Shara Wells and I'm an Olympic competitor. I contended in the 400 meters obstacles at the London Olympics, and truly that was a feature. However, my dream fix come 4 years after the fact, when the Olympic came back around and everybody anticipated that me should qualify again, and I felt like such a disappointment. I figured my companions wouldn't care for me any longer. I thought the whole world was going to be flipped topsy-turvy. When you are down, discover a way to get up. I have been there, I experience it like any other individual, yet I have something important to take care of in his world, and you do as well. You also may have had on objective as a top priority on throw of what achievements resembled. Also out of the blue, that objective may have dissipated before your eyes. That is the things that I feel here and there is very well may be simpler to simply live in that dual spot, in light of the fact that the strength required to move back out is a ton of exertion, a great deal of time, and genuinely it feels totally too far. However, you understand what it is most certainly not. It is conceivable to get back up once more step by decision. By decision, we can move further away from what set us back. We can dust ourselves off the ascent back up by creeping out of the obscurity of tremble. We gain proficiency with a great deal about your own solidarity, you are ready to do what we thought was outlandish. Also, we utilize what's within us to develop more grounded, more interpret. We are shared from those in countries as will. We presently understand the scope of survival. Each time life turns us down, we can decide to get back up. We become a superior form of ourselves, a form that knows torment, a variant that knows better, except for a form that has survived. Also knows the magnificence of coming out on the opposite side. It improves, you improve. The battle is justified despite any tremble, so pick yourself back up and keep going. Life is troublesome. Furthermore, modeled yet through the battle comes excellent, incredible things through every last one of you. That is turning into this message. Comprehend the agony, the battles, and all the things that you played that are keeping you down. It won't keep you down for very long, since as long as you are alive, you need to keep on proceeding, and what you have to keep on living. You can't permit the weariness and the hunt, also the torment, keep you down to a position where you can't push ahead on the grounds that as long as there's life in that body, you go things that you need to complete. Actually, you can't go on for eternity. Be that as it may, you should go on. We can't live until the end of time. In any case, you should keep on living. You should battle for something. Don't battle in vain. Live and relax, for they are more battle, and accept, for they are more compared that it is not over for you. It is not over for you since you are still here. So benefit as much as possible from your life. Honor those that are not at this point here with us. Ensure you're living the imprint. Make sure you are living the inheritance. So when your opportunity arrives, your inheritance can be lived to the future. So keep up and great battle. It is not finished for me. What's more, it shouldn't be over for you. Convey on. Life soiled, keep it moving. Regardless of how extreme you think you are going to hurt. You are going to feel that feeling of void. You will feel that feeling of misfortune. Be that as it may, it best things about losing is to develop to feel it. It is to compare it. It is to battle through it. It is nothing, not one thing in existence can stop your motivation in the event that you simply hold on to it. So I live not only for me, not only for my family, not only for the individuals that look to me, yet I do it to respect my flocks. It feels not the most awesome except me at the present time, since I don't have that mother to talk to, I don't have the father to converse with or to offer guidance. It is simply me now. Individuals that made a difference in my life, individuals that give me life are not at this point in this world, yet they exist in my heart. They give me an explanation that they left a inheritance for me to continue. This doesn't imply that it is the finish of me. It implies that I have work to do. It implies that I need to keep on pushing, also go more enthusiastically and go more grounded.
Implies that I need to remain contraried. It
Implies that I need to remain loyal you. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.